So here I am showing some animation of slide calipers or Vernier calipers. So just see, this is moving, okay, and if you have to put your object here, then when it is touching, then you have to tighten the screw. So this is the main scale, meter scale, okay, and this is Vernier scale, that is 10, that I have already described. Okay, so last just measured the value. Here is it is your object here, and now you have to calculate the actual length. See, this is main scale, and this is 1 mm, 2 mm. This is of the 5 mm, and just see, this is 6 mm and something higher. Okay, so 6 mm, this is 5 6 mm, and 6 and 7 mm का बीच में है ना. So 6 point how much? So now just see the Vernier scale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, at the 9 portion, this main scale, this I am focusing it, this main scale and it 9 is already matching. This is matching. So this 9 you have to take. Okay, so total length will be 6.9 into 0.1. okay, so 0.1 मतलब 6.9 mm. देखिए मतलब 7 mm नहीं है और 6 mm से बहुत ज़्यादा, मतलब 6.9 mm. So this is the procedure to calculate the length of your any object by using Vernier calipers. Here in this animation I am showing screw gauge in this apparatus, and this is your main scale, and this is 1 mm, and this is 0.5 mm, okay, and this is your circular scale. Just see, I am matching main scale this axis with 0. See, here it is 0, and then I am moving it to 50 clockwise, then it is going to next 0, then 1/2 मतलब 0.5 mm it is crossing na. So 0.5 mm this scale it is moving in main scale. So one main scale division is equal to your 0.5 mm. So this pitch is 0.5 mm and 0.5 mm, and it is moving 50 है ना. So pitch is 0.5 mm divided by 50. So least count is 0.01. okay, so now you have to put your object here, then you have to tight it, screw your move. Just see, my small object is pressing here, and then you just by rotating the circular portion you have to tight it. Then just see the what is the measurement. Then this is tight it. Okay, so this is C. So this is 34 is matching with this line is of circular scale is matching with the main scale axis. Okay, so this is 5 plus 34 into 0.01, so 5.34 mm is it. This is your reading of this object. Okay, so this circle is rotating, and after rotating it is moving 0.5 mm for 50 scales. So this is pitch, screw pitch, one main scale division is 0.5, so screw pitch is 0.5, and 0.5 by 50 is equal to 0.01 is your main scale reading. So this is your screw, this is your least count. So by this using these devices, so you have to measure up to 0.01 accuracy least count. So this is Vernier, this is screw gauge. Okay.